Anyways, I'm a police today, and I'm going to arrest some guy. He says that many people says that he lifts people's cars. So I'll arrest there. That's guy. He lifts people's cars and throw them away. Anyways, I'm going to arrest you, sir, for many people regarding their supercars being crushed by you. So, sir, you're under arrest because you've been throwing so much. Okay, this is embarrassing. Ah! Okay, so you're going to be in my. What the? Oh gosh, my Lamborghini! Now you're going to be under. Yeah. What the? Oh, whoa! Oh, hello, sir. Oh, stop lifting my car. You dare lift my car? Whoa! I'm going to file a complaint about you, sir. Just like a Karen. No, just joking. Okay, I'll get my. Oh, come on. Come on. That's it. Yeah. Okay, car, survive. Survive. Oh, you survived. Yeah, hopefully you still. What? How is this possible? No. Yeah. I'm going to crush you instead. You had to crush me now. Now you're super under arrest.